Coffee steaming, flannel sleeves, boots on the wet ground. Pink and amber on the peaks, rolling out all around. Fog like cotton in the pines, river waking slow. Every color whispers, son, I painted this for your soul. Oh, these main horizons set my weary heart on fire. Every sunrise, every sundown, brush strokes on the sky. Higher and higher over mountains, over tree lines. Every shade, my worries fading. I just stand here, hands up smiling, watching God's brush over Maine again. Oh yeah. Truck bed tailgate in today, sawdust in my hair. Gold runs out behind the ridge like it's bleeding through the air. Purple shadows stretch for miles, fields turn soft and blue. I swear the clouds line up each night just so I can talk to you. Oh, these main horizons set my weary heart on fire. Every sunrise, every sundown, brush strokes on the sky. Higher and higher over mountains, over tree lines. Every shade, my worries fading. I just stand here, hands up smiling, watching God's brush over Maine again. Yeah, again. I've read a lot of good books, heard 1,000 Sunday words, but one streak of crimson morning is the sweetest sermon I've heard. Every streak of orange and violet says, child, you're not alone. He signs his name in daylight, then in stars when it's all gone.